Suppose you want a new build home. Would you then know everything about the best materials to use? Likewise, you may want a super heterodyne receiver for your radio, radar, or satellite receiver. Would you then know all about the best components available? If only there would be a specialist that could define the perfect parts for your need.
Fortunately, there is AR Benelux, with know-how on a wide range of components. They propose the right antenna, amplifiers, oscillators, mixers, and filters for the optimum output. Visit our website, arbenelux.com, for more information about our F and microwave components.